If you're in your 20s and not investing, you're making one of the biggest financial mistakes of your life. Most people waste these years thinking they have time, but that's exactly why they stay broke. Because here's the truth. If you start making the right money moves now, you can set yourself up for massive wealth in your 30s, while everyone else is still struggling to pay off their debts. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how to invest, save, and grow your wealth while avoiding the biggest traps that keep people broke. Let's get started. Section 1. Start investing ASAP. Let's start with a fact that most people ignore. Your money is worth twice as much in your 20s as it is in your 30s. Here's why. If you invest just $1 at age 20 and earn a 7% return, by the time you're 65, that dollar grows to $21. But if you wait and invest that same dollar at 30%, it'll only be worth $10.68. That means every year you wait, you're literally cutting your future money in half. So how do you start? Open a Roth IRA immediately. It's one of the best wealth-building tools because your money grows completely tax-free. And if you don't know what to invest in, index funds like the S&P 500 are a simple, proven way to build long-term wealth. But just investing isn't enough. You also need to change the way you spend your money. 2. Live like you're broke. Most people make one critical mistake. As soon as they start making money, they start spending more. Big mistake. Your 20s are the best time to live cheaply because no one expects you to have a luxury lifestyle yet. Forget the idea of saving just 10% of your income. That's not enough. If you really want to get ahead, aim to save 40 to 50% of your income. And here's the trick. As you make more money, don't upgrade your lifestyle. Keep your expenses low and invest the difference. That's how you build real wealth fast. But if you really want to multiply your income, you need to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a business owner. 3. Start a business. The game changer. Here's the truth. If you only rely on a paycheck, you'll never be rich. The real money comes from starting your own business. And the best part? The internet has made this easier than ever. You don't need to invent the next big thing. Start with what you know. Freelancing, consulting, social media, e-commerce. There are endless ways to build an online income. And here's the strategy. Play to win when making money. Then, invest not to lose. That means take big risks in business, but invest conservatively so you never lose what you've built. But taking risks doesn't stop there. You also need to be bold with your investments. 4. Take risks. While you can. Your 20s are the best time to take risks. Why? Because you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. If you invest in a risky opportunity and it doesn't work out, you have decades to recover. But if it does work, it could change your life forever. This applies to investing too. Instead of only sticking to safe bets, consider high-growth stocks, startups, or even crypto. Because later in life, when you have a mortgage, a family, and responsibilities, you won't have the same freedom to take these risks. But not all investments are good. One of the biggest traps? College. 5. Reconsider college. Let's be honest, college isn't always the best path to success. For most people, the true cost of college isn't just tuition, it's the 4 years of lost income. And here's the reality. Some of the wealthiest people today, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, never finished college. Now, I'm not saying college is useless. If you're going for a high-paying career like medicine or engineering, it makes sense. But if you're just going because that's what you're supposed to do, you might be setting yourself back financially for no reason. And even worse than college debt? The silent killer. Lifestyle creep. 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is the mistake that keeps most people broke. When they start making more money, they start spending more. They get a raise and immediately upgrade to a nicer car, a bigger apartment, or a more expensive lifestyle. Don't do it. The secret to getting rich: keep your expenses the same while your income grows. Instead of buying luxury items, take that extra money and invest it. That's how you build wealth fast. And finally, the one thing that could destroy everything you've worked for: bad debt. 7. Stay away from bad debt. Here's a simple rule. If debt isn't making you money, avoid it. There's good debt, like using leverage to invest in real estate or start a business. And then there's bad debt: credit cards, car loans, and student loans that drain your wealth instead of growing it. If you have credit card debt, pay it off as fast as possible. The interest rates are so high that it's like setting your money on fire. Smart money moves mean avoiding anything that keeps you stuck in the cycle of working just to pay off debt. So start investing now. Your future self will thank you. Live below your means. Don't let lifestyle inflation kill your wealth. Start a business. Build an income stream that puts you in control. Take smart risks. The best time to do it is now. Avoid bad debt, because nothing kills wealth faster. The difference between being rich and struggling in your 30s? The choices you make right now. So if you're serious about building wealth, start today. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below on which money move you're starting today. And don't forget to hit that like button. It helps more people see this and start their journey to financial freedom. Now go out there and start building your wealth.